this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an event image to your event landing pages, like this example here. We're starting off in the dashboard where all of your events and calendars live, and I will just click into one of my events. So I'm starting from an event that already has been made. The reason I'm doing that is because you can add an event image while you're creating the event, or after the fact, you can click into your event and then edit the event. So I'm going to choose an image like this roses here, and then I'm going to click save. So adding an event image is simple as that, but what is an event image? An event image is an image that you can apply to events on an event by event basis, and it provides you with this lovely banner across your event landing pages. The ideal image size is 1600 by 533 pixels. Now, this is just the event image on the event landing page, but I want to show you where else these event images can be incorporated. So if you are sharing a whole calendar and you're using the calendar landing page sharing method, then the event images can be set to display on your calendar landing page. This is not the default for a calendar landing page, but that can be applied in design templates, which I can show you now. From your dashboard, you would click into Designs and then Calendar Landing Pages, and then Page Elements, and you'll just want to make sure that the event featured image is selected. And then you'll see here in the preview that of your events that have an event image, they will show here. So if you want to learn more about this, we have videos on the design templates, but I just wanted to show you how you can apply an event image and how it can be used across your calendars and events. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@addevent.com and check out our other videos, and feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you're staying up to date with all things AddEvent. Thanks.